Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Derma Roller is probably one of the most effective and affordable skincare tools available today. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Derma Rollers, exploring their benefits, how they work, and most importantly, which ones are worth your money. Get ready to unlock your skin's potential and discover the secret to a radiant complexion. Number 5. Beard Club Enhanced Growth Kit. Introducing the Beard Club Enhanced Growth Kit. This kit is designed to help you achieve a fuller, healthier beard. It's the perfect solution for any man looking to improve his facial hair. The Derma Roller, with its 540 titanium-coated needles, is designed for optimal performance. It helps refresh your face, scalp, and skin. Use it to unlock your beard's full potential. Our beard growth oil is a blend of natural oils, including castor, cedar, and avocado. This oil soothes itch and softens the skin. It will leave you feeling refreshed and comfortable. Crafted with natural ingredients, the sandalwood beard balm styles and hydrates. It's ideal for shaping and smoothing your beard with a non-greasy finish. This balm gives you the control you need. The ergonomic wooden comb manages knots without static. It detangles and styles your beard and mustache. It's portable and travel-friendly, making it easy to maintain your look on the go. This kit is the perfect gift for any man. It's great for anniversaries, birthdays, or Valentine's Day. It's also a great stocking stuffer or last-minute gift for any occasion. What we like. This kit is designed to kickstart your beard journey. It includes a Derma Roller, beard growth oil, and a sandalwood beard balm. If you're looking for a complete grooming solution with a focus on beard care and style, this is the perfect choice. It has everything you need to maintain a well-groomed and healthy beard. What people say. Work's amazing patches are starting to fill in after about 6 months of using them. My beard is softer and shiniest than ever and smells amazing. This is not definitely worth the price. The oil smells great, the roller is oddly satisfying to use, and my beard is actually growing better. El suero es ligero, no dejo la piel grasosa y el Derma Roller está bien hecho, no lastima. En unas semanas no la barba más densa y con menos huecos, especialmente en los lados. También dejo la piel más suave y el crecimiento sev más parejo. Number 4. KEAPURE Derma Roller Kit for Face and Body. This Derma Roller Kit is your complete skincare solution. It includes everything you need for a professional quality treatment at home. It's designed to meet all your skincare needs. The kit includes 3 different roller sizes for face, eyes, and body. Using it can increase product absorption, making your skincare routine more effective. It's a great gift for anyone who loves skincare. The vitamin C serum is packed with antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. This powerful formula helps to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. It's gentle enough for comfortable use. The included moisturizer is specially formulated for dry skin. It contains natural ingredients to leave your skin feeling refreshed and confident. It's lightweight and non-greasy. Enjoy a complete spa experience in the comfort of your home. This kit includes a spa headband to enhance your treatment. Add this kit to your cart today and pamper yourself. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive approach to skincare with multiple roller heads for different areas. It also includes a vitamin C serum and a moisturizer. If you are looking for a versatile and complete skincare solution for your face and body, this kit is ideal. It provides everything needed for an at-home spa experience. What people say. The needles are real stainless steel needles with the right size to make this treatment work without causing any harm to my face. It does not hurt at all and they do their job as they are supposed to do, helping the products to deliver better results. The size of the other needle heads makes easy to treat my eye area and the whole body. The natural ingredients of the moisturizing cream and serum are perfect to nourish, and thanks to the needles my skin absorbs more on them. I have used other Derma Rollers before, so I am familiar with them, and to me this is the perfect needle size to obtain better results without damaging my skin. The set is very complete with good amount of product for, and the headband is a plus to make the whole routine more comfortable and spa-like at such a great price. Microneedling actually helps your skin absorbing the product, the serum, the moisturizer, etc. This is a product they use in those salons that you get your facial, so what's better than doing it yourself for cheaper in your own home? Number 3. PURA Vitamin C Serum and Derma Roller Set. This vitamin C serum is designed to combat dark spots and uneven skin tones. It helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles and hyperpigmentation. This product is suitable for both men and women. The Derma Roller gently exfoliates the skin, while the vitamin C serum provides antioxidants. This combination helps to make the skin appear firmer and more youthful. You'll love the results. The 0.25 mm Derma Roller is the ideal size for effective results without causing adverse effects. Used with the vitamin C serum, it promotes healthy-looking skin. It's a perfect fit for your skincare routine. Applying the vitamin C serum after using the Derma Roller maximizes the benefits. This 2-in-1 treatment will leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Get ready to show off your glowing skin. This set includes a 4-ounce vitamin C serum and a 0.25 mm Derma Roller. It's a complete skincare kit for your face and eyes. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This product combines a vitamin C serum with a 0.25 mm Derma Roller to target dark spots and promote youthful skin. The serum maximizes the benefits of the derma rolling treatment. If you want to address uneven skin tone and enhance your skin's radiance, this combination is perfect. It helps you achieve a more vibrant and even complexion. What people say. I followed the instructions, washed my face first, sterilized the roller with rubbing alcohol, used the roller, rinsed my face with plain water and added the serum after my face dried. My reddish freckles were mostly gone or greatly reduced. My skin not only looks good, but feels good, too. I prefer that, especially with the Derma Roller because it helps the serum absorb much better into the skin. Number 2. Beard Club Derma Roller, Microneedling for hair and beard. Ready to grow a beard? This Derma Roller is the perfect tool to kickstart your journey. It's designed for beard and skin care, helping you achieve the look you desire. This roller features 540 titanium-coated needles and a weighted metal handle. This combination ensures effective and safe microneedling for both hair and beard growth. Use it on your face, scalp, or beard. It's suitable for both men and women. Get salon-quality results at home without spending a fortune with this microneedling roller. Keep your Derma Roller safe with the included magnetic storage case. This protects the needles, ensuring they remain undamaged and ready for reuse for your hair, beard, and skin care routine. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for beard and skincare enthusiasts. Give the gift of a better grooming routine for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This Derma Roller features a weighted metal handle and titanium needles for optimal performance. It also comes with a magnetic storage case. If you are looking for a durable and effective Derma Roller with a focus on quality and safety, this is the one. The weighted handle provides better control, and the case ensures the needles are protected. What people say. The Derma Roller is easy to use. The product is well made and durable. It helps with skin rejuvenation. Number 1. Beard Club Advanced Beard Growth Kit, Cedar. This kit is designed to help you achieve a fuller, healthier beard. It includes everything you need to stimulate growth and maintain your facial hair. It's the perfect solution for a more impressive look. The Derma Roller features 540 titanium-coated needles. This tool is designed to refresh your face and scalp. It helps prepare the skin for optimal results. Packed with essential vitamins like biotin and B12, these vitamins support healthy facial hair growth. They also help in supporting healthy testosterone production. This will help you grow a fuller beard. Crafted with a nutrient blend, this oil and spray promote beard growth. They provide nourishment and hydration to strengthen your beard. Use it daily for best results. The shampoo cleans, moisturizes, and conditions your beard. The brush combs, dead angles, and straightens your beard. Together, they keep it looking its best. This kit makes a great gift for any man. It's perfect for anniversaries, birthdays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of a great beard. What we like. This kit includes a Derma Roller, growth oil, vitamins, and a vitamin spray, along with shampoo and a boar bristle brush. It's designed to support healthy facial hair growth. If you're looking for a comprehensive beard growth solution with added vitamins and a refreshing cedar scent, this kit is perfect. It provides everything needed for beard nourishment and maintenance. What people say. The Derma Roller feels high quality and doesn't hurt, and the growth vitamins and oils smell great without being overpowering. After a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed my beard looking fuller, softer, and less patchy. The oil and spray smell good and don't leave any greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.